YouTube, it's ECP, and I got a special unboxing for you guys today, and this is going to lead into a neat video we have got from the Gpaa, the Gold Prospectors Association of America. I got my new April 2020 mining guide that gives all the different claims that my membership allows me access to, which is phenomenal. If you want to try gold prospecting, Gpaa is the largest national group. Gives you a lot of claims that you can actually go out on and mine for gold. But I bought some pay dirt. They had a pay dirt special. Buy one, get one half price. I'm going to do a pay dirt panning video, and we're going to open this box up, so stay tuned. Okay, I've got my knife here. We're going to open this box up. Let's see what they sent you. Now, I spoke with Sam. Sam was the guy on the Gpaa I spoke to. He sounded like a wonderful guy. He said he would hook me up, maybe some specials. Let's see if he sent us anything extra. But let's look and see what we might have gotten. I've never ordered pay dirt from them before, but I know the guy that supplies them with some of the gold they seed with it. A lot of pay dirt is seeded. Most pay dirt is seeded to see gold in that small amount. But let's see what we got here. There's one package. Let's see what we got. Supposed to have 2 bags of pay dirt. And he did send me a hat. He was going to try and get me some pay dirt. So we got Tom's and Perry's pay dirt. Oh yeah. He sent me some cards and stickers and some hats. So this is going to be some stuff for giveaways on the channel. Gold Prospectors Association of America. You got 1, 2, 3 of the patches. We got Sam Servetter. He's the guy. We'll give you here at the end. I'll do a little video of a close-up of his card. So we got some of his cards I can send out. And there's the Gold Prospector members. I can give those stickers away too. So Sam definitely hooked me up. Wow, a nice black hat. I love black hats. Me and Mrs. ECP will be wearing that out on the claim. And we've got 2 bags, not just one, but 2 bags of Tom and Perry's gold pay dirt. So we'll see what we get. We'll end up seeing what all we find, and we'll weigh it out, and we'll let you know what our return on investment is. So thanks for everything, and stay tuned. I'll give you a close-up of Sam's card here, so if you want to order some pay dirt yourself. I don't know if the special's still going on, but they've always usually got some kind of special. Just tell him that ECP or Chris sent you, and hopefully he'll hook you up. Take care. Okay, here to end the video I want to give you Sam Servetter, the Director of Vendor Relations. Here's his direct number, 800-551-9707, extension 168. There you go. And that even has his email, sservetter@goldprospectors.org. And tell him ECP or East Coast Prospecting that Chris sent you over. Anyways, hope you guys have a great weekend. I know it's Friday and you all enjoy. Stay tuned and we'll pan out some gold. We'll do a gold panning video hopefully this weekend. We'll see you soon. Make sure you like and subscribe and turn those notifications on so you don't miss the great auctions on Thursday night and our new and upcoming gold panning video we're going to put out. Take care and thanks. ECP, over and out.